Okay, if you are given a question this way, how you are going to solve this one? Two angles of a triangle are given and find the third angle. Again, I'm giving a small hint also that you know how to figure out the value of x in both the cases, right? So we used
Yeah.
addition property of equality and subtraction property of equality. So you may use this concept, and I see that in this, though you got the answer correct, that is 80 degrees. I would like to see your thought process, how you got 80 degrees. Do you want me to give an example so that you can work? Okay, let's take this triangle. First of all, here there is no diagram. There is no diagram. So let me draw a freehand sketch. Okay, uh, this is not to the scale. I don't know what are the exact measurements. Just roughly, I'm drawing a freehand sketch. Okay, then two angles of a triangle are 36 degrees. So let's say that one angle is 36 degrees and the other angle is say 57 degrees. By the way, if you measure by using a protractor, these angles may not be exactly 57 and 36. Just I'm assuming that they are. Okay. Now you can label the three vertices. I'm taking as PQR. For that matter, you can take any letters of your choice. Okay, and you are asked to figure it out. What is this angle? Okay, so what are your thoughts? How you are planning to solve this question? You may unmute your mic. I see that you are muted.
Yes.
So, how will you solve this problem? First explain verbally, and then you may show your working.
Okay.
What are your plans to solve this problem?
So wait, you just measure it with the protractor.
No. Assume that if the
What?
diagram is not given, then how you are going to solve? Actually, here algebra comes into picture. I'll explain one problem. First of all, what is the sum of three angles of a triangle? What is the sum of three angles of a triangle?
Oh! I thought my mic was on mute or mute. Okay.
What is the sum of three angles of a triangle?
The sum of the third so it has to be 180.
180 degrees. So, I see that from the diagram, the three angles are P, Q, and
So it has to be 97 or 87.
I'll come to that. I'll come to that. So here, I know that the value of P is 57 degrees, that is to be copied here. And next, angle R is given as 36 degrees. That value is to be copied here. Okay. Therefore, angle P equals to 57 degrees and angle R, that is 36 degrees, and we don't know what is the value of angle Q. Okay, and let's follow these steps. And I know that you combined these two. I mean to say that you added these two. 57. I don't want my main calculation part is to be disturbed, so just I'm making some place for the calculations, which is 57 plus 36. When you sum up, what will be the result? 57 and 36. What is the sum of these two? 7 plus 6, that gives me 13. 1 plus 5,
No,
6.
7 plus 6?
13.
What?
It is 13.
Oh,
Then it
yeah.
is 93 degrees. So if it is 93 degrees, 93 degrees plus Q equals to 180 degrees. Please notice that I added 57 and 36 and I got 93 here. I got 93 here. Now let's go back to page 1. In page 1, I said that how to find the missing value, how to find the missing value. Okay, I have given two examples. How to find the missing value means we have to isolate the variable, that is the alphabet. Okay, so if you want, I'll give another example really quick. So let me clear the screen. Give me a moment. Let me clear the screen here. Uh, in my last class, I explained that you think of a number, blah, 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 that story I hope you remember. Think of a number. If 4 is added, the result is 10. Okay? Please notice that. Assume that always allowed to draw this way a cartoon character. So here, my left hand side, the missing number is given, and my right hand side 10 is given here. Of course you can think like 1 plus 4, is it 10 or not? 2 plus 4, is it 10 or not? This is how you can check it. So when you check that way, 1 plus 4 equals to 10, no. 2 plus 4, is it equal to 10? No. 3 plus 4, and so on. At certain point, 6 plus 4 equals to 10. That way you can do it. But instead, what I recommend is we go for equality properties. Let's focus on variable side, or that is the missing number side. I see that there is positive 4 and we have to detach that by taking the opposite. That's the opposite, that is negative sign. Don't forget to take the same value, which is negative 4, and you have to take that value on both the sides. This is called as balancing equation. This is called as balancing equation. In my previous class, I explained that about the simple balance. Simple balance. So whatever you take on the left pan, the same values to be taken on the right pan. Here, if I take negative 4, the other side also have to take negative 4. In fact, we discussed this one in the last class, so I'm not going to spend much time on this. So x here and positive 4, negative 4, if you simplify, these two are for opposite signs, so we'll end up with 0. There is no point in writing 0, so it's simply we strike them out. Now what is 10 minus 4 means? You'll end up with 6. Okay?
Yeah.
And here, how do you know that your answer is correct or not means you can plug in back in the missing number like x. So 6 plus 4, is it making 10 or not? Like you have to plug in back there and you can check. You can, it is 6, then plus 4, is it equals to 10 means the answer is yes. So my left hand side I'm getting 10 and the right hand side I'm getting 10. Therefore my left hand side is matching with my right hand side, so my solution is correct. Okay, now the same technique we are going to use here. I see that something is missing here. I don't know what is the value of q. Then how to figure out means we have to cancel out 93. Please remember, if there is no sign is associated, you can assume that positive sign. So what is the opposite of, or what is the inverse operation of positive? What is the inverse operation of positive?
Negative, negative,
So
negative.
negative 93. Don't forget to balance. So on both these sides, we have to take negative 93. We have to take negative 93. Okay. So positive 93, negative 93 both gets cancelled, because 93 take away 93 means that is nothing but 0. So 0 we need not copy. So angle q equals to 180, take away 93. Just I'm doing in my rough calculation area, 93. So 10 minus 10 minus 3, that gives me 7. Then 7, so 17 minus 9. What is 17 minus 9? What is 17 minus 9? Well,
17, but yes, I was going to say that.
okay, that's fine. So it's 87 degrees. So this is how we find the missing angle. But here I see that if you go back to page 2 and here, whatever the solution you got 80 degrees, though it is correct, I would like to see this kind of working. This kind of working. I would like to see your thought process, how you got the answer. Okay, so I know sometimes the diagram will be given and the diagram may not meet to the scale. So if you measure it with the help of the protractor here, you may find it as 80. Sometimes if the diagram is not accurate, then the answer will be for sure that will be wrong. And please notice that I clearly specified that show necessary working, but I did not see any working here. Okay, so I want you to show the working as in the next page. This kind of working is needed. Okay, so is it okay for you to start working on this problem and show how you got 80 degrees? Not using protractor. Okay, you may start working on this now. What is step one?
Okay. Step one, silver angles.
Yeah. Okay, so okay, good. 1 second. What is the
Oh,
value?
wait.
Good. Are you sure that 90 plus 46 is 126?
Wait. What? How did I write that? How did I? um. I'm not sure.
You are doing good. Minus 100. We have to take
Minus
this.
136. Minus
Exactly,
136.
exactly. That's correct.
Wait, what? Where did I do that? 50.
Is
Wait,
it?
what? No. Oh. So, recalculating. Ah.
Yeah, that's the right one. Right? So sometimes you may be given two angles of a triangle and no diagram is given. By the time you cannot use a protractor to measure. So how you are going to solve this one?
Okay. Yes?
Go ahead, do it.
Oh.
What is step one? Mhm.
Wait, is that moving up by itself? Are you moving that?
I'm moving it up.
Oh, okay. Sorry, do you want me to write closer to each other?
Yeah, you are doing great. What next?
Okay. So next we have to add them 57 plus 66. Sorry if my handwriting is
No
messy.
problem.
123. I'm used to typing because I haven't written in so long.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so it's 123. 123 plus angle C equals 180. But then we have to do the switchy switch, which is this, which equals 0. So it cancels out. Minus 123 over here as well. 7, 10, 7, 5, 57. Angle C equals 57 degrees.
Excellent. Very good. So here, instead of following the shortcut and instead of guessing, I prefer you to solve every problem this way. Okay? Any questions on
Okay.
this?
Nope. Nope.